The AIO media can only be installed when the usual AVCS S63 1.1 data has been previously installed. Once the AIO permit has been installed, the AIO cell GB800001 can then be installed from the AIO media. Within the Chart Assistant, select AIO from the Format drop-down menu. Now, click Update. Select the CD-D drive and tick Show AIO Disk Content. Click OK. Click Update, then select the CD-D drive and click OK. The ECDIS will then install AIO and provide a report once installation has completed. Click Close to close the report.